Welcome. Welcome to Neversink Farm. We started out very wide. We had chickens, laying hens. We had meat birds, meat chickens, pigs, bees for honey. We were even raising trout in the pond to sell. We were very wide. Our first season, the weeds were here. We would look for vegetables. There wasn't a lot of moments where you sit back and say, yeah, this is going well. We needed to narrow things down, narrow our focus. Let's keep this simpler, let's make this efficient, and let's systematize everything and focus on that. And as soon as we did that, the farm started turning around. And we were able to really focus in on earning a living. It is possible to make a living on an acre and a half or less.